Hello, little explorers. Embark on a captivating journey as we dive into the world of careers that all start with the letter C. Join us on this fun-filled adventure with chefs, cowboys, and many more. Our first stop is in the kitchen, where chefs create culinary delights. From yummy pastries to savoury dishes, let's discover the magic of cooking together. What's your favourite food? Share it in the comments below. Next up, let's head to the Wild West and join the Cowboy Roundup. Cowboys are skilled riders who take care of cattle. Grab your cowboy hat and join us for some pretend play in the frontier. Now let's put on our hard hats and join the construction crew. Construction workers build amazing structures. Can you make the sound of a hammer pounding? Great job! Let's build some imaginary skyscrapers together. Last but not least, let's salute the courageous Coast Guards. These heroes keep our shores safe. Get your pretend life vests ready because we're going to rescue some imaginary sea creatures. Wasn't that a fantastic journey exploring careers that start with the letter C? If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share your favourite sea career in the comments. Stay tuned for our next exploration from D to Z. Until then, happy learning!